While the last few years have shown a steady growth in the mortgage industry, it is still riddled with cumbersome processes that involve paperwork and physical visits to the bank. On Do Big Stories, presented by Tata Docomo Business Services, this week we are covering a company that has used innovative technology solutions to address these issues and offer a better customer experience.
Customer today wants to compare, he wants to understand the nuances, he wants to see what is the best offering and how good are the services and how easily it can be facilitated. This demand is leading us to understand the customer today wants to operate from his mobile.
Let us see how Indiabulls Housing Finance uses advanced biometric authentication systems for their eKYC process, and how this unique and quick application system has changed the way customer information is processed.
We have developed a product which is the first time in the industry, and we have termed it e-mortgage, which is an end-to-end solution for the retail home loan customer.
Indiabulls has partnered with both government and private bodies to make e-home loans a complete end-to-end service for customers.
He can log on to our site, he can get all the information, he can calculate his eligibility of the loan basis his income and expenses that he incurs.
He does not need to give any KYC documents. So it is basically based on the Aadhaar card. Once we receive the application, we do our technical verifications, and after that we provide the sanction letter also online. He can go online and deposit the processing fee also there.
Once he has submitted the documents, he has filed the complete application, within 24 to 48 hours, we are able to process his loan.
And after that, even the disbursal happens online only. Not in India, but around the world also we have checked, there are very few players who have done this type of work.
It took almost 2 years of extensive research for the company to define these processes, which now enables customers to get home loan without visiting the bank branch even once.
We have used a lot of technologies in this. We have used CDAC, we have used NSDL for doing this Aadhaar-based authentication, e-signing facility. Then we have used a company called simplifies, where the customer can generate online bank statement, providing his your username and password details, and we fetch the data from the bank account and it directly comes to us. Then this tool does the analysis of this bank statement, which is you can say around 20 or 30 pages. So earlier what credit used to take 8 or 10 hours to analyze this, it takes a time of few minutes only.
A team of legal experts worked for months to ensure that processes are completely legal and compliant.
Earlier, there was a lot of hassles. I mean, the documentation and everything, it took a lot of time. Now, customer can do everything sitting at, at their home and at their own convenient time.
Customer today need not to think that when is the holiday, what are the working hours. Everything is available at ease at his end.
At the same time, my sales force, which used to chase the customers, so now they don't need to go and chase the customers to collect the documents. So the productivity, if you see my sales force productivity, it has gone up considerably.
But one may feel that the kind of personal touch that we look for while taking financial decisions like these may be missing here.
Over a period of time, I would say the customer behavior has changed a lot. Everybody feels more comfortable on the mobile today, and our application or our platform is completely on the mobile.
Customer has got a facility available where he can call our call center from the mobile application itself to get some assistance, or he can go on a chat with our executive wherein he can get his queries resolved.
The good news also is that customers' response has been extremely receptive to this new technique.
We have seen that around 8 to 10% of the customers, the new customers, are actually going to the website. Out of that 8 or 9% customers who are going there, 3 to 4% customers are actually completing the process and coming to a stage where we are getting a file. So we think that in times to come, around 15 to 20% of our business by the end of this year will be happening through this application.
The day is in far when all loan applications will be processed online, end-to-end, efficiently and effortlessly. With that, it's time for us to say goodbye, but we will be back next week with yet another compelling innovation story presented by Tata Docomo Business Services that will inspire you to do big. For more such stories, you can visit edcio.com/dobig.